Welcome to our new video. In this video, we will cover section 3.8 of the standard for project management, which is build quality into processes and deliverables.
Hello.
What is important about this principle, Mr. Izgi?
As we see on the screen, maintain a focus on quality that produces deliverables that meet project objectives and align to the needs, uses, and acceptance requirements set forth by relevant stakeholders. Project quality entails satisfying stakeholders' expectations and fulfilling project and product requirements. Quality focuses on meeting acceptance criteria for deliverables. Project quality entails ensuring project processes are appropriate and as effective as possible.
Let's start with the definition of quality, Mr. Izgi.
Quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics of a product, service, or result fulfills the requirements. Quality includes the ability to satisfy the customer's stated or implied needs. The product, service, or result of a project, referred to here as deliverables, is measured for the quality of both the conformance to acceptance criteria and fitness for use.
What are the dimensions of quality?
Quality may have several different dimensions, including but not limited to the following. Performance. Does the deliverable function as the project team and other stakeholders intended? Conformity. Is the deliverable fit for use and does it meet the specifications? Reliability. Does the deliverable produce consistent metrics each time it is performed or produced? Resilience. Is the deliverable able to cope with unforeseen failures and quickly recover? Satisfaction. Does the deliverable elicit positive feedback from end users? This includes usability and user experience. Uniformity. Does the deliverable show parity with other deliverables produced in the same manner? Efficiency. Does the deliverable produce the greatest output with the least amount of inputs and effort? Sustainability. Does the deliverable produce a positive impact on economic, social, and environmental parameters?
Mr. Izgi, requirements, the scope of the product, are related to quality. In our following videos, when we will talk about the details of PMBOK guide, we will give more information. This video is shorter. Let's continue. How is quality measured?
Project teams measure quality using metrics and acceptance criteria based on requirements. A requirement is a condition or capability that is necessary to be present in a product, service, or result to satisfy a need. Requirements, either explicit or implicit, may come from stakeholders, a contract, organizational policies, standards, or regulatory bodies, or a combination of these. Quality is closely linked to the product acceptance criteria as described in the statement of work or other design documents. These criteria should be updated as experimentation and prioritization occur and validated as part of the acceptance process.
What are the objectives of the quality activities?
The objective of quality activities is to help ensure that what is delivered meets the objectives of the customer and other relevant stakeholders in the most straightforward path. The intention is to minimize the waste of resources and maximize the probability of attaining the desired outcome. This results in moving the deliverables to the point of delivery quickly and preventing defects in the deliverables or identifying them early to avoid or reduce the need for rework and scrap. The objective of quality activities is the same, whether dealing with an upfront, well-defined set of requirements or a set of requirements that are progressively elaborated and incrementally delivered.
What kind of positive outcomes will be observed because of good quality management processes?
Quality management processes and practices help produce deliverables and outcomes that meet project objectives and align to the expectations, uses, and acceptance criteria expressed by the organization and relevant stakeholders. Close attention to quality in project processes and deliverables creates positive outcomes, including project deliverables that are fit for purpose as defined by acceptance criteria, project deliverables that meet stakeholder expectations and business objectives, project deliverables with minimal or no defects, timely or expedited delivery, enhanced cost control, increased quality of product delivery, reduced rework and scrap, reduced customer complaints, good supply chain integration, improved productivity, increased project team morale and satisfaction, robust service delivery, improved decision-making, and continually improved processes.
Thank you, Mr. Izgi. We have reached the end of this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Support us on the Patreon page because you can find some templates and additional podcasts. Also, feel free to ask any questions to us or write comments under our videos. Goodbye.
Goodbye.